Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, starting a series on 1-inch mini blinds. This one's on how to change out. Should have some coming up on how to repair blinds that won't tilt anymore, and for how to replace the wands. A couple other little things, how to change them out if you have existing mini blinds. And again, this one's how to change out 1-inch mini blinds inside mount. Hope you like the videos. If you do, comment, link, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Got some new blinds here to change out. My old ones, you can see it popped right through, and it's kind of hit and miss. Sometimes I can get it to work, and then other times it won't close, and sometimes I can kind of get it to close, and maybe I can replace 3 sets of these vertical blinds. And the common break point was this deal here on all of them. That's what broke, and just figured to kind of explore the possibilities of a repair on these. You can see the plastic, it just broke right here, and then the deal's not engaging properly to spin the gear because that plastic is gone. Now this particular kind, the clip is a little bit different to replace the vertical blind. So just going to explore the clip a little bit, which is just turns out this way. And it looks more like possibly this clip needs to be able to come out here like that, and then it can turn out. So it just locks in place by being positioned up into its guide hole, which probably will not come out on the film. But yeah, anyway, once you take it out, my guess is that you can push the gear all the way up and through in order to remove it, but maybe not, because then that might break the gear. Let's see. Oh, okay. Looks like the whole deal may slide over. Just a little exploration in the how the deal works. Looks like we've got a slide end cap on this one. That slides out. In theory, that would allow us to slide this whole deal out. And it looks like we can move this whole peg that way. Now that's out, and then we'd be able to pull our whole master deal up and out and replace this portion. But that's what broke. I had 3 other ones, the same exact deal. So I imagine you probably could get parts for this and change it out, and then you'd be, you could fix it that way. They are cheap enough to replace them, but kind of interesting to see how you could actually repair them as well. So let's try again here on this one. This one I've kind of got the deal wound in there, but you can see how this anchors in the pin. So once it's moved over, there it is, the pin's free. To put the pin back in, we would insert it like so, rotate it over and around. Small parts, I don't know if it'll show up that well on the film. But yeah, this would Go through like that, and then just go up and around, and then it's locked in. So that's that. Okay. And take it off, we just move it to the side, pull it on through. There we go. Probably didn't see that very well. Again, it's small parts. But then we would slide out our end cap, slide over our control, lift here, and pull up. A little twist and a little pulling up, and there it is. And then we can replace the master control. Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. The new one, we would just slip down and in to the hole. Of course, this one's broken, so there's no real point in doing it. And there's little pieces of the old broken one left behind. But just to show you, we'd put the new one down and in. Just like so. I have it backwards, so that doesn't help. There we go. And then we'd slide our wand control back into the gear point. And like I was saying, there's no point because this is a broken one, but there's the gear shaft that turns. Here you can kind of see the operation of the gear. I want to do it just because it's interesting. I can see a little better. Of course, this one is just popping up and through. There it is. And there it is. Turning the inner spindle. Yeah, so that's how you could repair these old vertical blinds. Good to go. Oh, and then you'd put your end cap back in, of course. Just slide back in. Careful for the sharp edges, but no big deal. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. If you like these kinds of tips and tricks and methods of getting things done, check out my book, Kung Fu Maintenance. It's only $2.99 as an ebook. You can get it as a regular book, and it's a little bit more expensive. But my thought there was showing you guys how to make the most likely improvements and maintenance and repairs on the most likely things that you're going to need to fix in your lifetime. Thanks for watching. And if you like the music, you can get the albums or you can get the individual songs. Links are in the description below. Check them out.